Om Shuklam Paramam Madhyam Jagat-vyapim Veena Pustakadharinim Abhayadam Jandhyandakaram Haste Sphatikamalikaam Vidadatim Padmasane Samsthitam Vande Tam Parameshwarim Bhagavati Buddhi Pradam Sharadam Natva Saraswati Devi Shuddham Gunyam Karunam Paniniya Praveshaya Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi Shashta Kaksha Shashtaha Vargah Purva Kakshayam Vayam Apashyama Ji, any question? Okay. Purva Kakshayam Vayam Apashyama Tulyasya Prayatnam Savarnam Savarnam Kim Bhavati Iti उसके पहले So we will do one revision from the beginning after we finish this Sanya Prakaranam. Anyway, earlier we had seen from this Ukalo, Jrasva Dirgha Plutaha, Uchchairudataha, Nichairanudataha, Samaharaha Swaritaha, Mukhanasika Vachano Anunasikaha, then Tulyasya Prayatnam Savarnam. Tulyasya Prayatnam Savarnam said, what is Savarna? Savarna means what that is given. Tulya Asya Prayatnam. Whichever Shabda has the same location of saying Asya and Prayatnam, the same amount of effort, then you say that is Savarnam. Savarnam. So Asya there are 5 types. Kanta, Talu, Murdha, Danta, Oshtau. They are given Talvadi. Talvadi Sthanam, Abhyantara. Talvadi Sthanam they are given. Fir Prayatna, Abhyantara, Apicha Bahya. 2 are there. So that is 5 plus 11. They had given that also. Panchada. Panchada, Abhyantara. Haji.
Sprishta Isha Devrata Vivrata Samvrata Vedam
Samyar. Sprishta Isha Sprishta Isha Devrata Vivrata Samvrata Panchada. Apicha Prayatnam 11 Ekadashada.
Vivana Sambara Shasu Nado Kosho Kosho Alpa Prana Malaha Pranaya.
Then Udatta Anudatta Swarita. So 11 types of prayatna we had seen already. We also saw this all of these sprishta, ishat sprishta, kim. So which varnaha? Kavarga is what? So here lot of circles etc. are there. This is not necessary. Sprishta means all this kavarga, chavarga, tavarga, tavarga, pavarga. This is all sparshaha. Then Antastaha means Yavarala, Ushmana, Shashasaha, Swaraha, vowels. We had seen all of these things. We also saw one more thing earlier itself. We had seen that Hrasva, Dirgha, Pluta.
Yeah.
In this next sutra, Ukalo, Hrasva, Dirgha, Plutaha. Ji. And Udatta, Anudatta, Swarita, Samyak, Swarita. Apicha, Anunasika, Ananunasika. Ji. So for each vowel, all of them will work. For Akara, there is Hraswakara, Dirgha Akara, Pluta Akara. Udatta, Anudatta, Swarita. Anunasika, Ananunasika. So we had seen here, they had given, some have 18, some have 12, some have 12. So they had given all of these things in Tika, Apicha, in Lagu also. अ इ उ ऋ एषां वर्णानां प्रत्येकम् 18 भेदाः. 18 because अनुदात्त उदात्त स्वरित ह्रस्व दीर्घ प्लुत अनुनासिक अनुनुनासिक and then a. In this way 9 3 plus 3 times 3 times 2 3 into 3 into 2 18 18. लृ वर्णस्य 12. लृ वर्ण does not have दीर्घ तस्य दीर्घ अभावात्. And एचाम a I o au they only have dwadasha because hraswa abhava g. So this much we have seen. Why we are doing this revision really is the next sutra will take all this and finish this prakaranam. Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudikara is finishing Sanya Prakaranam. We will see, after we see these 4 sutras, we will see Sanya Prakaranam fully. Next sutra, this one. Anudit Savarnasya cha Pratyaha.
Anudit Savarnasya cha Pratyaha.
Ji. Anudit Savarnasya cha Pratyaha. Anudit Savarnasya cha Apratyaya. 5 padas are here. Udit Savarnasya cha Apratyaya. Pratiyate vidhiyate iti apratyaya. Pratyaya normally in Bhashya Tika in Vedanta sessions, that is Vyakarana for Vedanta when we take. Pratyaya means all additions to words like Chui Pratyaya, Cha Pratyaya, Tavya, Atmavare, Drashtavyaha. In Drashtavya, there is something called Tavya Pratyaya. And in Sadhana Panchakam, in any of the Sadhana Panchakam, you can take example. Vedo nityam adhiyatam tadetam karmasvanushthiyatam. Okay, we'll come to this later. But what the point being that all these words have some pratyaya. We say, okay, this has cha pratyaya, this has shvi pratyaya, tavya pratyaya, aniya pratyaya, shatru pratyaya, shanach pratyaya, or kta tavatu nishta pratyaya. So many things we say pratyayas. But here that pratyaya is not that pratyaya. Here pratiyate vidhiyate iti pratyaya. Vidhiyate in the sense vidhana hota hai. There is some vidhana here. Vidhi, this sutra is doing some vidhi. What vidhi? That is what they are going to say. They are basically saying what is savarna. Examples of savarna. When we have already seen definition. Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam. Earlier we had seen Tulyasya Prayatnam Savarnam. This is Savarna. Jaha Asya and Prayatna is the same. That is Savarna. So now they are saying, what all are Savarna? What can you call Savarna? Arupanand Swamiji, please read from here to here.
Avidiyamane anu Udicha Savarnasya Satnyasya Atra Evano Parena Nagarena Ku Chu Tu Tu Pu Vede Udit.
Samya Uditaha. Avidiyamano Anudicha. And also this Atra Evan you said correctly only, but while reading we don't have to split. Only for understanding we split. So while reading without sandhi you can say Atrevan parena nakarena samyak subhav samyak astu artha avidhiyamanaha. Here also there is some pratyaya. This is called shanach pratyaya. Here avidhiyamanaha, this is shanach, but this is not this pratyaya. This pratyaya is different. Here it is what is vidhana, some vidhi is there. What vidhi? Avidhiyamano Anudicha Savarnasya Sanyasyat. Atrevan Parena Nakarena. What is this Savarna is being given? Where? Okay. So an is here. An, that is, maybe first we can see this. What generally when we say an, it is a, e, u, n. So a, e, u is an generally.
Yeah.
But here, atra eva, an, parena nakarena. There is second nakara. Lan is sixth Maheshwara Sutra.
Including the Hayavaraya.
G. A, e, un, ril, rik, e, o, eong, I, out, Hayavarat, lana.
La.
Atra eva, only here. This is the only instance in Panini Ashtadhyayi where an means you have to include Hayavarat, eong, etc. Generally, an will mean a, e, u. Bas.
Yeah.
Atra eva, an parena nakarena. So they are saying Savaranasya Sanya Kim. So here this parena nakarena you have to take. But before that, now we'll come back to this line. Savaranasya Sanya Syat Kim Syat Avidiyamano Anudiccha. Where there is no vidhi of an and udit, there is Savarna. This can be confusing theoretically. So we have to see example, practical example we have to see to understand what is this Savarna. There is no vidhi, avidhiyamana. Okay, but what does that even mean? An here, I, u, rul, rig, eo, I, out, hayavara,
Hayavaraya.
or la.
La.
And udit here is ku, chu, tu, pu.
Tu.
So this ku, chu, this is all called udit. Ete uditaha. Ku, chu, tu, pu, ete uditaha. And what is cha pratyaya? Niche hai, lekin we will see this. Anudit Savarnasya. So we know an, we know udit, we know Savarna. Now we are saying cha pratyaya. Ji.
Yesterday, did we not say ku means all the kavargas?
Correct.
So therefore here ku, chu, tu means all the kavargas, all the chavargas, etc.
Yes. Well, they are just explaining the word udit. When they say udit, what does it mean? They are explaining. They are saying ku, chu, tu, pu. You have to take full kavarga, chavarga, because ku means kavarga. Correct. So you have to take all that. But here, just to explain the word udit, they are giving like this. Ku, chu, tu, pu. These are all udit. See, this whole Sanya Prakaranam is all about ये क्या है, वो क्या है, किम अस्ति, सावरणम किम अस्ति, संज्ञा किम अस्ति, samhita किम अस्ति, संयोग किम अस्ति. They are just going to say this is this, this is this. There is no karya happening. No, nothing, no kind of rule. This has to happen, that has to happen. That is not started. They are just defining what is this, what is this. In that sense, they are also defining udit. Ku, chu, tu, pu, ete uditaha. Then we have to see what is this cha pratyaya. So Savarna is all of these. Savarna is an, Savarna is udit. However, Savarna will not happen when there is pratyaya. Now this pratyaya is like twi, cha, nishta pratyaya, all those pratyayas. When there is pratyaya, this Savarna will not happen. This is what they are trying to say. Where is Savarna happening? Where is it not happening? Example. This sutra is talking about an. So if there is a, this will also include a. If there is e, Savarna also includes e. This is what this sutra is trying to say. They are just going to say simply what is the big picture. Because this sutra 1169 here in Panini Sutra, this is all Ashtadhyayi. In Ashtadhyayi the number is 1169. Prathama Adhyaya, Prathama Pada, Ekona Saptatihi Sutra. From 66 to 73, of this adhyaya, this pada. That is all not in Lagu. In Lagu it is in different places. But from
69, yeah.
69. This is 1169. From 1166 say 1173.
Yeah, the tasmin idhi nirdishte purvasya. Yeah.
All of them are about Savarna. They are all about the same prakarana. Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudikara has taken this sutra and he is trying to explain this sutra in the big picture. This is what we have to see. Agre. Sundarji, कृपया पठतु तदेवं टु द्वयोर्द्वयोर् संज्ञेयः.
तदेवं इति अष्टादशानां संज्ञा. तत एकारो
तथा. ठीक है. तथेकारो कारो. Sorry. Go ahead.
तथेकारो कारो. ऋकार त्रिंशत्. एवं ऋकारो अपि. एचो द्वादशानाम्. अनुनासिक भेदेन यवला द्विविधा. तेन अनुनासिकास्ते द्वयोर्द्वयो संज्ञाः.
द्वयोर्द्वयो संज्ञाः. सम्यक्. धन्यवादः. तद एवं इति अष्टादशानां संज्ञा. has अष्टादश. किमर्थम्? इ उ एषां वर्णानां प्रत्येकम् अष्टादश भेदाः. Already they are. जी. I U R. They all have अष्टादश each. So here Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudikara says iti अष्टादशानां संज्ञा. We know that from before. ह्रस्व दीर्घ प्लुत. फिर उदात्त अनुदात्त स्वरित अनुनासिक अनानुनासिक. 3 times 3 is 9 times 2 18. This is अष्टादश भेद.
So here we don't include R, right?
I'm coming to that. So first you take only okay. First just iti ashtadashanam they have taken first. Then they say tathekaro karo. How to split this? Any guesses? There are two sandhis here.
Tadaha egaro ogaro ya augaro ya.
Try again. Close.
Tata ikaro.
Tatha is like that. Iti ashtadashanam sanya tatha. In this way, tatha ikaro ukaro. Ikara ukaro will become ikaro karo. And tatha plus ikara will be tathekara.
Tathekara, correct.
Iti ashtadashanam. Ikara how many?
Two and E.
G. So here they had given I, Ru, R. Esham Varanam Pratekam Ashtadasha Veda. For each of them there are 18. I, U, R. So Akara Ashtadashanam Sanya. So Ikara will be how many? Ashtadasha. Because they have given Tatha. Tatha Ikara. Also Ikara. Tatha Ukara. So akara has ashtadashanam sanya. So this is sanya. If any, I think some question will come 2-3 days ago. Sanya kim asti. This is sanya. This ashtadasha bheda. Hrasva, udita, anunasika. This is 1. Hrasva, anudita, anunasika 2. Hrasva, swarita, anunasika 3. Hrasva, udita ananunasika 4. Ahrasva anudita ananunasika 5. Ahrasva swarita ananunasika 6. In this way, 6 for hrasva, 6 for dirgha, 6 for pluta. Total 18. all are sanya. These are all called sanya. Ikara has 18, Ukara has 18, Rikara api 18. Because here they had said A, I, U, R. Esham varnanam pratyekam ashtadasha vedaha. All of them have 18. And they also said R varnasya dvadasha. Tasya dirgha bhavat. R does not have dirgha. So R will have hraswa udita anudata swarita. Hraswa anunasika. Hraswa anunasika ananunasika. Okay, can you see my screen?
No, the gone.
Now?
Yeah, back here.
Hra, Rikara has Udita, Anudita and Swarita. And Rikara has Anunasika, Ananunasika. Like this twice. Hraswa and Pluta. R does not have Dirgha. Tasya Dirgha Bhavat.
Yeah, no,
G. So total 12.
12, yeah.
That is what they had said here. Rivarnasya dvadasha. Dvadasha.
Yeah.
So when you take Rikara 18, Rikara 12, total
12, yeah.
30. Rikaras trimshataha. Trimshataha means 30.
30.
This is how they come to 30. Because here they say Rikaras trimshataha evam Rikaro api. A iti ashtadashanam sanya tatha ikaro karo Rikaras trimshataha evam Rikaro api. Echo dvadashanam. Already we had seen earlier. They
Just hraswa bhava.
G. Hraswa bhava dvadasha. That is what. Repeat. Same thing is coming. Echo dvadashanam. Anunasika, Anunasika bedena yavalad vida. There are two more types. This 12 etc. How they have got? Because they have taken two more. Anunasika and Ananunasika.
Ananasika.
G. Those two they have taken. Tena Ananunasikaste dvayor dvayos sanya. So for each of them there will be two each. For Anunasika, there for Hraswa Dirgha Pluta, Anunasika is there. For Hraswa Dirgha Pluta, Ananunasika is there. Two each are there for each of them. So dvayor dvayos sanya. Two each sanya they add. This sutra is basically saying what all are savarna. Savarna means what all are here. That is what this is saying. Next sutra. Paraha. Any questions on this sutra?
No.
Okay.
I was only thinking
Ji.
that these ones that we are studying, like in some of the sutras where we said the third letter will replace and the third equivalent letter, etc., some of the earlier Sandhi sutras,
Ji.
there would the fact that they may be savarna, etc., play a role as to why that
Yes.
replacement takes place?
Yes, it does. Absolutely. But we have not come to Sandhi yet. So
Yeah, no, we have not. I was just thinking of application for what we are doing.
yeah,
now.
yeah, it is correct. Absolutely. So when you say Ikoyanachi Sandhi, you can just take for an example, Sundari, because you asked. If you take Rama plus Isha, this will be Ramesha. So Ikoyanachi has given Ekara, right? For A plus E,
is a.
A plus E say, it has given A.
No.
But if you take Rama plus Isha, what is this? Ramesha.
Ramesh.
Here, A plus E is what? This is also A only. Whether it is Hraswa or Dirgha, both ways,
Yeah.
the effect is the same.
Correct.
This is the point of some Savarna. This is why we are saying Savarna. A and A have the same effect.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
But this is all come later. Astu. Next sutra. These three sutras we will finish quickly only. Paraha, Sannikarshaha, Samhita.
Paraha, Sannikarshaha, Samhita.
Anandgiri Swamiji, please read this vritti for Paraha, Sannikarsha, Samhita. हाँ ये द वृत्ति फॉर परः सन्निकर्ष संहिता कृपया पठतु.
परः सन्निकर्ष संहिता.
हाँ वृत्ति वर्णानां वर्णानां
ईशीयतीय संधिनी सन्निधि संहिता संज्ञ स्यात्.
धन्यवादः. वर्णानाम् अतिशयित सन्निधिः संहिता संज्ञः स्यात्. संहिता किम? This is the next sutra. So far we have seen Sanya kim, then we saw Savarna kim, now we are seeing Samhita. What is Samhita? Samhita here is Varnanam Atishayitah Sannidhihi Samhita Syat. Samhita Sanyah Syat. Varnanam Atishayitah. Of all Varnas, Paraha Sannikarshaha Samhita. Samhita means when two sounds come immediately next to each other. Paraha Sannikarshaha Samhita. Paraha means after. Asya Paraha, after this. Rishikesha Nagaras, Delhi Nagarat ऋषिकेश नगरस्य परः हरिद्वार नगरमस्ति. और हरिद्वार नगरस्य परः ऋषिकेश. परः means after. akarasya para akara in that way. And sannikarshaha closed. G. What is coming after and what is close, that is called samhita. This is also Sanya Sutra for samhita. Paraha sannikarshaha. This is the definition. Like, we will take Ramesha example only. Rama and Isha. After akara comes ikara.
Yeah.
Here there is samhita. Because paraha it is coming and it is coming close. A or E, they are coming close. This samhita, sanyoga, padam, para sannikarsha samhita, then next is two sutras. Before this anudit savarnasya cha pratyaha, tulyasya prayatnam savarnam. All of this is preparation for sandhi. Sandhi, where it will work, where it won't work, etc.
That's only for the swaras, yeah?
Here it is only for swara. No, so here for samhita you can take consonant also. Technically speaking, you can take consonant as well. So what we can take, not consonant, we can take avyaya, kriya visheshana, all of those things. Not vyanjana. Vyanjana coming next. Halo antara sanyoga. Ji. This is for swara, but also other shabdas like pronoun, avyaya, all of those shabdas also you can take this. What we can take in that sense, for sanya you can take sanya, avyaya, all of this you can take samhita, and for sanyoga we will see dhatu, tingantam, so that is different, but your question, I only confused my answer. Your question is correct. This is for swara, but also vyanjana also will be available here. But you see the next one, halontaraha sanyogaha.
Halontaraha samyogaha.
Halontaraha sanyoga. Ach bhir avyavahita halaha sanyoga sanyaha sushu. So here ach bihi, which vibhakti? Ach bihi.
Tritiya?
Samyak. Tritiya vibhakti. Ach bihi. So this sutra is saying halo anantaraha sanyogaha. Halaha anantaraha sanyogaha. Halaha of all vyanjana. Because hal is vyanjana. Anantaraha. Anantaraha means without antaraha. Anantaraha. Na antaraha asti iti anantaraha. Ne samasa. There is no end. Antara means end, right? Without ending or without interruption, when there is hala, sanyoga, consonant.
Consonant very close. Yeah.
G.
There is no ach or anything.
Without ach, without any vowel. In between there should not be any vowel. Only consonant immediately. Then it is called sanyoga. Example. Indra. Indra, when you take Indra, there is Ikara plus Nakara plus Dakara plus Rakara. Halanta is there. Between in, the and ra, there is no ach, there is no vowel.
No,
Nothing
there
is
is
there.
nothing. Yeah.
So this is Sanyoga. Nakara is Vyanjana, Dakara is Vyanjana. In between there is no vowel, there is no Anantara, there is no interruption. Here it is called Sanyoga. Halo Anantaraha Sanyogaha. In Hala there is no Antara. That is called Sanyoga. Earlier we had seen Paraha Sanikarsha Samhita. So Rama plus Isha. Between Akara and Ikara, it is close. Paraha, Ikara is coming after Akara, and it is Sannikarsha, it is very close to each other. So we say that is Samhita. Here it is for Hala, Vyanjana.
But in that one,
Ji.
Akarji, if it is Akara and Ukara,
Ji.
would we still call it Samhita?
Yes. Akara, Ukara will also be Samhita. Like how this Tata, Ikara, Ukara, that also you can say Samhita. You see, because Akara plus Ukara, it just has to it has to satisfy these two conditions.
Fusion is next to, meaning next to is E. Then U means you have E in between. So I'm just wondering.
No, not like that. U, this is not about the order of the swara. This is about the shabda itself. Okay. So for instance, we take any example you can think of with and U? Rama, Uma. There are two. Okay.
Aupadika?
No, Aupadika is the shabda itself. Na? Upadi se Aupadi ho gaya. No worries. Rama and Uma you take. Okay. There are two women are here. Rama is there, Uma is there. When you take both of them together, we say Ramo me. You have to take Dvivachanam. A and U have become O. Here also there is Samhita. It is not about Ikara between, even in A and Rir also you can take. Rukara. Akara, Rukara.
Okay.
That also will be Samhita. So the point being, Paraha and Sannikarsha, they have to be in the Shabda. In two Shabdas, when you do Sandhi, it has to be next and it has to be close. For instance, if Ikara comes before Akara, then also it will be Samhita, but it will not be A plus E Samhita. It will be E plus her Samhita.
Correct.
In that sense, we take.
Okay.
G.
This will come only swara yeah, or vyanjana or swara vyanjana.
You can also take swara vyanjana. Vyanjana will be halo anantaraha sanyogaha. Because Vyanjana when you take like Indra, beech mein ach bihi avyavahita. When there is no ach bihi, when there is no ach, then it is halaha sanyoga sanyasiho. But you can also take swara plus Vyanjana.
Sahita means the distance between two alphabets.
two letters, two alphabets.
Two alphabets.
Ji.
It could be Vyanjana or Swara Vyanjana.
It can be Swara Vyanjana, it can be Vyanjana Vyanjana. For example, Mo Anuswara is there. So when we take Mo Anuswara Sandhi Sutra, Krishnam Agataha, we take Krishnam Agataha, hai na? Krishnam Agataha. Makara is next to Akara. There also you can do Sandhi, right? So Sanhita, Sanyoga, there also Samhita will work. It is only about the sound. Whichever sound is Paraha and Sannikarsha. That is why they have given Varnanam. They didn't give you Acham. They didn't see Haloho. They have given Varnanam. Whatever Varna. Here they have given Haloho. They have specified Vyanjana. Here it is available for all. For Samhita. For Sanyoga, they have specified Halaha. Halo Anandraha Sanyoga. Last sutra, Suptingantam Padam.
Suptingantam Padam.
Suptingantam Padam is very important. Very main Mukhya Sutra. This, if you want, you can memorize. This is a very important sutra. Subantam Tingantam Cha Pada Sanyam Syat. Subantam. Yes. Sub and Tingantam. So this is the first instance we are seeing these words. Na? Subantam kya hai? Tingantam kya hai? This is the first instance. Sup means what? Sup means
Supratyaya.
Ji, Supratyaya. Jaise Rama Shabda is there. When you add Supratyaya, it can become Ramaha. Noun. Sanya. Tingantam. Ting means Ting Pratyaya. Jaise Gam Dhatu plus Ting will become Gacchati. Gacchati is verb. Dhatu. Kriya Shabda. Any or pada. Any pada which is Kriya pada or Dhatu, that will be forming Ting Antam. So this is not only Gacchati, it is also Gacchami. Gacchami is also Ting Antam. Aham Gacchami. Bhojanena Ashramam Gacha. Pathanaya or for studies. Pathaya Ashram Gacchami. Ashramaha Gacha. Ashramam Gacchami. Or Pathanartham Ashramam Gacchami. For study I am going to the ashram. Gacchami Shabda is there. This is Tingantam.
Yeah.
But
so any kriya is Tingantam.
Ji, Kriya Tingantam. And Subantam will be Sanya, but also Avyaya. So for instance, Ramaha Gacchati Shabda Vakya is there. Ramaha is Subantam. Gacchati Tingantam.
The name mentioned Subantam, yeah?
Ji. Subantam. That is the name that is given. So why this sup? Actually it is sup. Pakara is there.
Yeah.
But when we write, we make bakara. This is because of sandhi. This sandhi will come later.
Yeah.
Sandhi karya is working. Anyway, here the main point being subantam and tingantam. Whatever is ending with sup. Jaise Rama sup, Ramaha. And tingantam, gam, ting, gacchati.
Well,
this is pada sanyams.
Now
Sorry, we lost some words.
Sorry. Okay. No, I was saying Ramaha sup. Rama plus sup, Ramaha. The Rama's Pratipadika is there, then you say sup and it becomes Ramaha. And then Gam Dhatu is there, then you say Ting Pratyaya, it will become Gacchati. So Ramo Gacchati, these are two padas. This is Subantam pada and Tingantam. Suptingantam pada. This padam is very important because in Sandhi, these padams keep coming. Tomorrow, we will start Sandhi Prakaranam. We'll just give a small maybe 5 to 10 minute introduction of Sanya Prakaranam tomorrow, and then we start Ach Sandhi. Before we start, there is in Sanya Prakaranam there is no Karya. So sometimes Sanya Prakaranam it may seem very difficult. You may think, oh, but I don't understand anything in Sanya Prakaranam. Everything is new. What is this Sanya? What is Savarna? Then suddenly today Samhita has come and Sanyoga came, Pada came. All these new things are coming. I don't understand. No problem. The main point here, the Mukhya point here of Sanya Prakaranam is Maheshwara Sutrani. Memorize Maheshwara Sutrani. Automatically, Pratyahara will be meaningful. Savarna, Sanya, Samhita, Sanyoga, all of these are based out of Maheshwara Sutrani and getting linked to Sandhi, which is the second Prakaranam. Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudikara wants to say this much. He started with Maheshwara Sutrani, he has given around 10 sutras, and then he is going to Sandhi. These 10 sutras are the bridge between Maheshwara to Sandhi. So even if you think, oh my God, okay, there are too many things, no problem, no need to get worried. Main point is Maheshwara Sutrani, you just try to memorize. A, I, Un, Rul, Rig, A, Ong, I, Ouch. Once these things come in mind, then Anu Pratyahara will come, Ach Pratyahara will come. Okay, what happens when A and E join? That is called Samhita. Okay, what happens when Na and The join to Hala? That is called Sanyoga. Then, okay, then what is verb Kriyapada? What is that pada called? And what is Sanyapada called? That is Subantam Tingantam. Everything will make sense when you have that Maheshwara Sutrani strong, because that same thing will keep coming again and again.
Yes.
Okay. And if there are any questions, of course, we can discuss later or before tomorrow's class. Tomorrow 2 p.m. again Sandhi Prakaranam will start. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om.